we are, Flexstone shower, 2 years later. Now I'm going to link this back to the other videos, the original installation of the Flexstone shower 2 years ago, and then last year, 1 year later. Today we're going to review how is the shower held up now, 2 years later. Now keep in mind, this is hard water, hard well water in Michigan, no water softener here. So we have like 29 times the normal amount of iron and calcium in the water here in mid-Michigan. So keep that in mind with cleaning these showers, and no water softener, what we're up against here. But let's check it out. 2 years later, we're still looking pretty spiffy. And I talked to my client, I said, hey, how often do you clean this? She's still rock solid on the walls, but how often do you clean this? She told me once she starts getting a little yellow, she said it's about every 2 weeks, she starts to get a little yellow from the Michigan water. She goes and sprays this Barkeeper's multi-purpose cleaner, sprays it on these walls and just lets it run down, wipes it off, rinses it off. So you got to be careful not using abrasive cleaners on a shower like this. But she's holding up really well. As you can see, we installed this over an old bathtub. The bathtub's much older than 3 years. She didn't want to spend the money to buy a new tub, so we kept the old one. This is on a budget. Flexstone, she bought this at Habitat for Humanity and got a really good deal on it. It's great for DIYers. You're getting your one-day shower look that if you went to a one-day shower company, you're going to spend upwards of $10,000 for a one-day shower. You get the same type of look for much less money. And you go back, I'll link this back to the video installing it. Very easy install for the DIYer. And she's holding up real well. Now we won't get long-winded here. I'd like you guys to leave your comments below. What do you use to clean your Flexstone? If you have Flexstone, what have you used to clean it? And or any suggestions people might have, a better product than the Barkeepers, if that's around. We'd like to hear your comments and suggestions. Any questions, comments, or concerns, please post them below. And I'm hoping to see you back again. One thing I discovered making this video is that Flexstone is more durable than acrylic or fiberglass. So if you're thinking about which one to buy, the Flexstone compares way better than either one. Fiberglass is more affordable. Flexstone is more durable than acrylic, but they're close, but it's more scratch resistant. So keep that in mind if you're thinking about making a purchase with the Flexstone. So far it's looking good. I can't wait to see it third year. It's holding up great. The Lord's willing and the creek don't rise. Come back next year. We're gonna have a year 3 years later, Flexstone shower, 3 years later. Come to DIY Crazy Grandpa, where we load test, road test. Is it the toad test? All right, check out our videos.